Last year I did a video up here about how I use various displays in the house to show house data like temperature, weather forecast, spoken text, and shared along with family photos and video clips. As I wandered through the house and I passed by some of these displays, they often have old photos that trigger fond memories and bring me lots of joy. So with 100,000 of those photos, between my photos and my dad's photos, and about 10,000 60-second video clips, that's a lot of joy. So I thought I would try to share that joy with my family members by repackaging that HTML and JavaScript code to be just the photo and video slideshow portion. And then we could install it on some of these inexpensive Fire tablets. $100 tablets. So here we have 4 of the tablets set up. I'm about to send these off to children. This is the 8-inch tablet. These are all the 10-inch tablets. The 8-inch runs about 3 watts power. The 10-inch run about 4 watts power. They have these handy docks which you just snap in, plug into the USB port for power, and they got these contacts on the back that match up and just slide right in and keep the tablets charged. So this is the 10-inch Fire tablet. It sells for $150. I got mine on sale for $110. The micro SD card slots up here. There's a $30 128 gig card in it. You can use the optional cradle I showed earlier. That's $50. This is a wall mount, so we did without that. You can tap in the middle of the photo to pause it. Tap again and it'll go into the default mode where it expands to the full screen. You can go tap on the left to go previous photo, tap on the right to go next photo. If you have a video, you can turn the sound on and off. And you can also scroll through the video.
4-year-old or 5-year-old.
And here's where we're trying to see how fast we can get a gyroscope to go using a leveraged string. It goes pretty fast. So I've got a link below for a project page that'll show you how to get and install this code. You can use pretty much any phone, tablet, computer, or even TV that has a browser in it, with one caveat. I've only found 2 browsers that support local HTML files. That would be Firefox and the really nifty Android fully kiosk browser. If you have a web server, you can just throw the code and photos and videos over on that, and then you could run any web browser. You'd be hard-pressed to find a cheaper alternative than these Fire tablets. The 7-inch model only costs $50, even less on sale. If you go that route, you can skip the extra $15 you might normally spend to get rid of the ads, because those only show up on the lock screen. The lock screen only comes on after you boot the device. We leave ours on 24/7 because they only use 3 or 4 watts, which is $3 or $4 per year. And they make for useful nightlights, so why not? One last note, the latest 8-inch and 10-inch models support Alexa mode. So if you like having her in your house, you can turn that on. That'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next month.